Hey everyone, welcome back to English Phrases Hub, where we help you upgrade your everyday English one phrase at a time. Did you know that repeating the same phrases can make your English sound robotic and unnatural? If you want to expand your vocabulary and express yourself more naturally, you're in the right place. Today we're saying goodbye to the plain old I am sad and replacing it with 10 expressive alternatives that will make you sound more natural, confident, and engaging in conversations. Ready to level up your English? Let's get started. One, I'm feeling down. This is a casual and natural way to express that you're not feeling great, but without sounding too dramatic. Conversation example.
Hey, you seem quiet today. Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just feeling down. It's been a rough day.
I get it. Want to talk about it?
2, I'm feeling blue. Saying you're blue is a classic idiomatic way to express sadness. It's commonly used in casual and artistic expressions like in songs and poetry. Use this phrase when you want to express that you're feeling sad in a slightly poetic or old-fashioned way. It's more commonly used in informal conversations or creative writing. Conversation example.
You don't seem like yourself today. What's wrong?
I don't know, I'm just feeling blue. Maybe it's the weather.
I get that. Rainy days can be a little gloomy. Want to grab some coffee?
My spirits are low. This phrase creates a more vivid image, suggesting that your usual positive energy or mood has dropped. It sounds a bit more formal and can be used in both casual and professional settings. Use this phrase when you want to express sadness in a slightly poetic or refined way. It's great for conversations where you don't want to sound too dramatic but still convey that you're feeling down. Conversation example.
You've been quiet all morning. Is everything okay?
Not really. My spirits are low today, just feeling a bit off.
I hear you. Let's take a break and get some fresh air. It might help.
4, I'm feeling gloomy. This phrase paints a picture of a gray, overcast day, making it a great way to describe a lingering or persistent sadness. It's not as intense as depressed, but it still conveys a deeper feeling of being down. Use this phrase when you're feeling low or melancholic for a longer period, especially due to something like bad weather, loneliness, or disappointment. Conversation example.
You've been so quiet today. What's wrong?
I'm feeling gloomy. I don't know, maybe it's just the rainy weather.
Yeah, gloomy days can do that. Let's watch a funny movie. It might cheer you up.
5, I feel miserable. This is a stronger, more dramatic way to express sadness. It suggests that you're feeling really down or even overwhelmed by your emotions. Use this phrase when you're experiencing deep sadness or frustration, whether it's due to bad news, sickness, heartbreak, or just having a really rough day. Conversation example.
Hey, you don't look so good. What's going on?
I feel miserable. I've been sick all day, and on top of that, I lost my phone.
That sounds awful. Let me know if you need anything. I'm here for you.
Before we continue, smash that like button if you're learning something new. And don't forget to subscribe. We drop daily videos to help you speak English confidently and naturally. 6, I'm feeling bummed out. This is a very casual, everyday English phrase used to express disappointment or sadness. It's commonly used in friendly conversations and sounds relaxed and informal. Use this phrase when you're feeling down or disappointed about something, but not in a deeply emotional way. It's perfect for casual chats with friends. Hey, why do you look so down? I'm feeling bummed out. I didn't get the job I applied for. That sucks. But don't worry, something better will come along. 7, I'm heartbroken. This phrase expresses deep emotional pain and is often used when someone experiences a breakup, loss, or major disappointment. It conveys a much stronger feeling of sadness compared to other phrases. Use this phrase when you're feeling crushed or deeply hurt, whether it's from a relationship ending, losing a loved one, or facing a major setback. You don't seem like yourself. What happened? I'm heartbroken. Sarah and I broke up last night. Oh no, I'm so sorry. That must be really tough. Do you want to talk about it? I'm crushed. This phrase expresses intense disappointment or emotional pain. It's similar to heartbroken, but can also be used for situations beyond relationships, like bad news, failures, or betrayals. Use this phrase when you're feeling devastated, deeply disappointed, or emotionally overwhelmed by something unexpected or painful. Conversation example. Hey, how did the audition go?
I didn't make it to the final round. I'm crushed.
Oh no, I know how much you wanted that. But don't give up. You're amazing. There's always next time. 9. I feel down in the dumps. This is a fun idiomatic way to express sadness or feeling low. It paints a picture of being stuck in a depressing situation. Use this phrase when you're feeling discouraged, unmotivated, or just generally down for a while. It's great for casual conversations. You've been quiet lately. Everything okay? Not really. I feel down in the dumps. Work has been so stressful. I hear you. Let's take a break and grab some lunch. You need a breather. 10. I'm feeling low. A simple and natural way to say you're feeling sad without being too dramatic. It works well in both casual and formal settings. Use this phrase when you're feeling a bit off, emotionally drained, or just not yourself, but don't want to sound overly emotional. Conversation example. You okay? You seem a little off today. Yeah, I'm feeling low. Just one of those days, I guess. I get that. Let me know if you need anything. Those were 10 different ways to express how you're feeling without saying, I am sad. Try using these in your conversations to add variety and emotion to your English. Comment below. Which phrase will you try first? Let me know if you'd like a part 2 with 10 ways to say I'm happy. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep bringing you these lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and never stop learning. See you in the next video. Take care, everyone.